It's Creative Kara here, back with another video. Guys, I'm late. It's like December 7th, but I'm about to go Christmas decor shopping. And guess what? Because I'm so late, I'm only spending $40. So I'm going to take you guys along, take you to stores, see what I pick out and how it all comes together. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you when I go shopping. Joann's. And you guys know I have like $40. But look at everything's like 70% off. Ooh, I love this. Going for silver decor though, so like all silver, maybe pink. How cute is this? And it is these trees are so adorable. $40. So that makes it $14.99. Might have to go with that. Reefs. This is really chic Christmas. Cute little welcome sign, but I already have one. And this stuff is 70% off, guys. Like, it's crazy. Dollar Tree. Got some things in my bag. In this section, looking for something to fill up for Christmas. Ooh, this is super cute. These are cute. Got some things already going on here. We kind of got some of the same stuff, but a little bit different. Ooh, how cute is this? Definitely gonna get one. Well, I'm gonna do some shopping and then get back to you guys with the results. Awesome. Right, so I got my items from the dollar store. Got some jingle balls and some bulbs, and then I also got some floral arrangements, kind of Christmassy vibes. Gonna make a nice little centerpiece for the table, and just kind of show you guys how I'm gonna do it. Just gonna fill this up with some balls. Okay, so we got one in there. Then take some jingle bells, add those in there, give it a nice festive look. Look at, see, and throw another, whoop. Doing this with one hand, guys, my stand broke, so add another jingle ball in there. And look, so I'm gonna fill this up and I'll come back to you guys when I'm done with the flowers.